Hello, my name is Devin McKenzie, an analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD trading ideas for the 20th to 27th of November 2017. The CFDs presented here will need to be monitored carefully throughout the week so that if the price action does play out as anticipated, trades can be initiated at the suggested entry levels. This week there are 9 CFD trading ideas, and these include a possible long trade in Anglo Platinum. Here we'll monitor the stock to see if it reverses up from the area of multiple support provided by the uptrend and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. If it begins reversing up from the area of around 380 Rand, then we'll look to buy it for a move up towards 410 Rand. There's a possible long trade in Astral. The stock has broken the upper boundary of a pennant pattern, and this suggests that it's going to continue moving up towards 215 Rand. So you can look to buy this stock at around 200 Rand 50 cents for a move up towards 215 Rand. There's a possible long trade in BHP Billiton. Here the weekly price chart shows a medium-term cup and handle pattern that has formed since July. You can look to buy this stock at current levels or on a retest of the upper boundary of this pattern around 257 Rand. And then you'll set your take profit at 343 Rand, and please bear in mind that this is a medium-term trade and it may take some time for the target to be reached. There's a possible long trade in Datatech. Every time the stock has approached the 200-day moving average since June, it has found support and begun to reverse up. It's currently testing this 200-day moving average for a 4th time now, and we'll monitor the stock to see if it begins reversing up, at which point we'll look to buy it, and this will come into a play at around 57 Rand for a move up towards 63 Rand 50 cents. There's a possible long trade in Kumba Iron Ore. Every time the stock has entered a phase of consolidation since September, it has resulted in a breakout to the upside. It's currently consolidated over the past week, and if it trades up towards 298 Rand, it would validate another upside breakout and suggest further upside potential to 318 Rand. So you can look to buy the stock at around 298 Rand for a move up towards 318 Rand. There's a possible long trade in Naspers, one of the better performing stocks throughout the year, and it remains buyable on pullbacks while the uptrend remains intact. It's also broken the upper boundary of a medium-term channel in the beginning of October, and this suggests that it's going to move up towards 4,080 Rand in the medium term. So you can either look to buy it at levels or on a pullback towards the 3,390 Rand region, and you'll buy it for a move up towards 4,080 Rand in the medium term. Another trade that may require a few weeks before the target is reached. There's a possible long trade in Pan Africa Resources. There's a cup and handle pattern in the daily price chart, which has been validated with the move above 2 Rand 65. You can look to buy the stock at 2 Rand 70 for a move up towards 3 Rand 10 cents. Or you can monitor if it retests the handle at 2 Rand 65 cents, then you can buy it for a move up towards 3 Rand 10 cents as well. There's a possible long trade in South 32. The stock is approaching an area of multiple support from the 50-day moving average as well as uptrend. You'll monitor this one to see if it begins reversing up. If an upward reversal does appear, then you'll look to buy it at around the 35 Rand mark for a move up towards 39 Rand. Finally, there's a possible long trade in Steinhoff Retail Africa. The stock also broke above an upper boundary of a bull flag pattern, and you can look to buy it at 24 Rand 40 cents for a move up to 25 Rand 70 cents. Those are your CFD trading ideas for this week. Please remember to manage your risk by using protective stop losses.